Hello, hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Ilham Yasir bin Muhammad Alias. My metric number is CB250450. Today, I am going to explain one of the most versatile tools in electrician kit, which is the digital clamp meter. Unlike a standard multimeter that requires us to break a circuit to measure current, the clamp meter allows us to measure amperage non-invasively, and this is much safer and faster when troubleshooting with distribution board or household appliance. The secret is in this jaws is there act as a current transformer. When AC current flows through a conductor, it creates a magnetic field. The jaws capture this magnetic flux and convert into a reading on the screen. Because there is no direct electrical contact with the live conductor, the risk of electric shock is significantly reduced. To get an accurate reading, follow this step. Firstly, set the dial. Turn the selector to the AC current setting and isolate the wire. This is crucial. You must clamp around only one wire, either live or neutral. If you clamp a power cord containing both wire, the opposing magnetic fields will cancel each other out, resulting in a zero reading. And center the conductor. Open the jaws using the trigger and press the wire in the center of the clamp for the most accurate measurement. Before you start, always check that the jaws are clean and closed completely. Remember, while the clamp meter is safe for current, always wear your basic PPE if you are working near exposed terminals. Mastering the clamp meter means faster diagnostic and better safety. Okay, thanks for watching and stay safe on the job. Thank you.